from the ranks for the door and close keypad. Let's go to the cockpit of the aircraft and see if Major Thorpe has any words for us today.
Everybody, that's my round, my home sound.